much more nearer. Nakulangan ng lakad, kaya maglakad palayo. That's the other exit of Haijang Peak. That's where we're supposed to exit, pero hindi ko nahanap yung daan. So that's Haijang Peak, and we're going here in Clearwater Bay, counterpart to Highland Tung in the other peak. Okay guys, we will take the shortcut. See, so many ribbon. The Great Trail. This is easier than the stairs. Gusto namin dito kasi para bababa na lang kami dun sa hagdan to the third peak. Sama namin naman siyang ribbon. The trail is nice, so many ribbon. Thank you to the people who put the ribbon. Okay. Shortcut. Yan. Basta maaga pa. Ay. Whew. Oh wow, look at that. The view and Haijang. For today's video, ang view namin, Haijang. So ito yung shortcut. Ganda naman, diba? Ganda ng trail, tsaka ang ganda ng weather. Nice clearing. So we're here in the intersection. We came from here, but there's another shortcut from here. But then we'll follow this one. Going up, just go up. Yeah. So if you don't like to take the stairs going up the peak, follow the Great Trail in the HK Trail map. You should download it. It's very helpful. You can use it even with no data. Still a long way, but getting near. Getting near yet so far. These flowers, guys, so nice. Yan, dito pa rin kami sa shortcut paakyat ng Highland Tung dito sa Clearwater Bay, Nunghawan Country Park. Paakyat, may flat na siya. So we're out from the shortcut at may little bit of the hagdan going up, pero at least hindi na yung hagdan na hagdan, kasi alam mo yung may gas-gas yung ukay niya, di mali gas lang, hindi butas. Yan. Kung sabi dar, ewan. Kasi may nakita kaming tribe doon. You know, aba, nakapag-check-in lang, baba na. Yung shortcut. Makwan. Hindi ako nag-alala. Inaalagaan niya yung leggings niya, nawala sa isip. Maganda. Hindi gaya nung there's a way here going to that peak that I'm going to. Kasi meron siyang rock formation doon sa taas. Hindi naman kami. Ay, baba na kami. We're here at the country park. So, this is the original start of this hike. Here, going up. So, yung dinaanan namin is shortcut. Going to the other peak, to the kite flying section. When you're starting here, you come from the road. High jump. Park for our next. Check-in na to, nasa park. First time natin dito, pa-picture tayo. Punta na tayo doon. Oo. So we're done with our 3 peaks. Ay, 3 peaks. Just 3 o'clock. Started at 12. So we're gonna go to our 2 extra. Para hindi sayang yung oras. Maaga pa na. We're not rushing. So ayun guys, yun namin kanina. Ay, bundok na yan. Diyan kami naglakad kanina. Instead dito sa kalsada. So, ito yung kalsada dapat nalalakaran namin. Hindi kami nag-shortcut. Akyat kami dun sa hagdan. Which iniwasan ko. Gusto ko lang bumaba. Diba? Ganda. Ilang yan? The bus stop now! And then we will go to Fort. Puraan, ayun! Ayun, ayun. So, we're here now. Gonna wait for the bus. Gonna go to MTR. Then we'll go to Kumanting. Legs mo ay nakakasilaw. There's the bus stop. Yep, there's the bus stop. So we're going to Quarry Hill. XA2. Oh my goodness. It's so... Look at that. Oh, don't worry. Later it's a stair. There's the MTR. Oops. Then the stairs. Follow this road. Turn here. Ako nakatira dati. Guys, we're here at Quarry Hill in Homantin, where I had my first employer before. Char. So it's been 10 years since I came back here. Yes, 1 decade. Yan, yung artista ng aking mga vlog. Daw niya ang picture. Okay, we're on the right track now. Medyo mahabang lakarin to the start. Hanap kami ng bus. This is the last stop for 5B. Then that's the Chicago. The path is Mount Davis path, and then you go up na. Okay, we're going home. We're done with our hike. With our last peak of Hong Kong side, Mount Davis. Gabi na. For a half day lang kasi. Kami dun sa hagdan. Kasi mas madali. Uy. Flashlight mo batch. Makuha nga ba? Okay. Pasada na kami. Going down to the bus stop. Okay, we're down. Waiting for the bus.